My questions are coming from the sales team now that they can see account data. They have some curiosities about what else we can do with that data now that it's visible in Salesforce. And I'm not sure how to answer those questions for them.
Like what?
Like they just want to be able to, because none of them have access to Sage, they would like to be able to report, like pull reports using some of those stats for their own accounts, like only see like the last sales order date is lovely. Everybody loves that. Could we just run a report where we're looking for that only in a certain territory? But as far as I can tell, those aren't actual fields that we can.
They are not. They're reflecting real-time data from Sage 100. However, it's not a big deal to bring any of those values into Salesforce so that you can use them for reporting purposes.
Oh, okay.
A common thing that people ask for is, well, can you bring in my invoice records or my order line items? Because I want to be able to run reports and have them appear in dashboards. And we can do that. But you're right. A lot of the stuff they click from the View ERP Data tab, none of that's actually living in the Salesforce database, but it could if we had receiving objects and fields in Salesforce, and then we map them. Or they're mapped, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So whether you created an object for these things or we did, then we go into the GUMU settings app and we define the mapping. This Salesforce field is pointed to this Sage 100 field. And then you would set up your schedules for that type of thing. You probably don't need it immediate or hourly. You can probably go with daily or whatever. But yes, and yes is your answer back to sales.
Okay, great.